So initially this was to be a day's vlog, like a day in my life, but it got extended to 3 days because the first day just wasn't adventurous, and honestly so were the other 2 days. But this is basically how I existed in 3 days, so stay tuned and I hope you enjoy. So on Monday, I had to go get my hair done because I made these braids 2 weeks ago, but they're already really rough because I have natural hair and these are natural hair struggles. Braids really don't last with natural hair, so I had to go take them down and make my hair to look neat for the week at least. Oh my god guys, the washing of this hair was so therapeutic and relaxing. I really enjoyed it. So now my hair is being prepped to be made. Guys, my hair is way longer than this, honestly. Just ignore what's going on here. It's really long. Guys, I know it looks like she's struggling with my hair here, but honestly, zero pain, like no pain at all, painless. So yeah, we're done braiding and this is what it turned out to be. Here we're deciding how to part the back because I wanted a particular style and that's what we're trying to decide, you know, how to get it done and all of that. But we finally figured it out. So yeah, here she's just trying to do some finishing touches like making the hair shine and all of that and bringing out edges that were not there. So yeah, but this is the finished look and it's exactly what I wanted. I love my hair. So I'm headed home now. The next day I had to go get my nails done. I was actually supposed to get my nails done the previous day, but I couldn't because I was just worn out and tired. I just needed to rest. So I decided to go get my nails done the next day. So that's where I'm headed to. So I got my nails done at Prince for Nails and it was also a lovely experience there. Look at me, sipping. So apparently there's a thing called twerking of nails. So this is what I was trying to do here and this is the result. So my nails are twerking apparently. I love my nails too. Okay, so now it's food time and I get so excited when it's time to go eat. So initially I was supposed to go to the pear restaurant, you know, but the truth is I just wasn't ready for the hot, you know, sun because that is a tent literally, and I have actually vlogged there before. If you haven't seen my birthday vlog, go check it out. I had lunch with my friend at the pear restaurant. So instead I decided to go to Vanilla restaurant and the aesthetics I love. So I was giving popcorn and this tiny glass of Chapman to, you know, munch on while my food came, and it actually came pretty fast. I didn't expect it to come so fast. I thought it was going to take so long, but it came faster than I expected. So yeah, the food as well was actually very nice. This is what I think, I can't remember what it's called, but I know it has something to do with Oreos, Oreo shake or thereabouts. Yeah, it was nice as well. guys, I had a dermatologist appointment. I've been going to see the dermatologist for some time now, and I have an appointment every 2 weeks, so I try to keep to that. I don't even know what was irritating me here, but anyway, I was supposed to go to see the dermatologist today, and guys, it's just an appointment. Usually I go through procedures, like it's kind of like a session where things are done to my face, but that's not what's going on today. So if you want to see that, if you want to see a video on how that is done, then subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed, and give me a big thumbs up, comment in the comment section so that you can see more and so that I can know that you enjoy this vlog. But anyway, I'm a dermatologist. I waited at the reception for some time, and then I was called in, and then I saw the dermatologist. Are they called doctors? I don't know. But I saw a dermatologist anyway.
And then please don't have any makeup.
Don't be trying to fall.
Oh, beautiful.
So yeah, and my face is actually it's improving. Honestly, it was really bad. I'm going to do a full video on that very soon, so you guys anticipate, okay? After seeing the dermatologist, I went home, and later that day I unboxed something, so you guys are going to see that, and I think I spoke through the rest of the video, so yeah. Thank you. Hey friends, what is up? I hope you guys have been enjoying the rest of the vlog. If you have, please comment in the comment section. But anyway, I didn't mention, but okay, so I don't know if I mentioned or if I'm going to be mentioning because I'm still editing the video, but I ordered some hairs and they got here pretty fast. So this is my package from 1605 Hair Aesthetics. I'm going to insert a larger clip so that you guys can see all the details properly. I love the packaging. Yeah, let's see what's going on inside. Okay. Okay. So in here, the first thing you see, wait, let me show you guys. This is what it looks like inside. Okay, so the first thing you see when you open the box is this really cute card that says 1605 Hair Aesthetics in front of it, and at the back of it we have thank you, and a thank you in different languages, which is so beautiful. I really love this idea. So it says thank you, it says Dekuji, it says gracias, it says danke, brigade, vala, tap, merci, and all of that. So yeah, come on, grazie, come on. Anyway, thank you in different languages, and that is an attraction. I really like this. I guess this is 10 inches. I got a 10 inches hair. This is what it looks like, if you guys can see that. So the quality, beautiful. I mean, texture, the feel, everything amazing. I'm in love. Okay, I got this in 18 inches as well. Okay, so you guys check out 1605 Hair Aesthetics on Instagram. I'm going to put their link down in the description box, or just put their Instagram handle so you guys can check them out. I guess I'm probably going to end the video here because you guys have seen how I tested in 3 days. So yeah, but that's what I did in 3 days. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, because why not? It's totally free. And if it's your first time here, please subscribe as well before leaving. Thank you so much once again for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.